This is our practical number 3. Write the assembly language program to perform the arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In 8051 microcontroller has single instruction arithmetic operation. Applications such as BCD to ASCII conversion and checksum byte testing require arithmetic operations. This practical will help the student to develop skill to write the assembly program for arithmetic operation. In this practical we can see the addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. These 4 programs in the assembly language. In this we can use a register for the arithmetic operations. Then here we are having processor status word, D0 to D7 data bytes, which is having flags for direct addressing mode. These are the programs for arithmetic operation and their comments, description of operation. We can use Keil software for this program.
गाइस, क्या आप भी घर बैठे अपने मोबाइल
Let's see this program on Keil. Open the software, double clicking on it, then go to the project, then new project, give the path for it. We can make one folder, then give the name for it, project name arithmetic, arithmetic operation. Then choose the software, processor IC, controller IC, Atmel. Then click on plus sign, then choose the IC number 8051, then click on OK, then no, okay, then create a file, new, this text file is open here, then file, save. You can give the name for that file, arithmetic op dot asm. Don't give the .c extension, we can give the .asm extension there. Then write down the program on that file. Move A hash 25h, move B hash 12h, means first number is 25h and second number is 12h. That number are moved into A register and B register. Then we can add these two numbers. So ADD add A comma B. So the result save in A register, which is accumulator. Move 40h comma A. This instruction gives the accumulator register answer into the 40h address. Move that answer in the memory location of 40h. So result will be stored in 40h memory location. Result move to 40h memory location. Then move A comma hash 25h. Now we can move 25h again into the accumulator register, A register. Then subtract A comma B. So subtraction action done here, because B is already there 12h in B register. So result will be stored in next memory location, which is 41h. So accumulator move the result on the subtraction result on the 41h memory location. Then move A comma 25h. Again accumulator is empty. Now we can move the 25h value in that. Then multiply MULAB. Now we can multiply two numbers 25 and 12. Multiplication action done here. Multiplication of two numbers A into B. Then move 42h comma A. that multiplication result will be stored in accumulator. So we can move that accumulator value on 42H memory location. Then if borrow is there, then that borrow is saved in that multiplication result will be stored in two memory location, that is 42H and 43H. that values are stored in A and B register, so we can move that value on 42 and 43 memory location. Then again we can take 25H and 12H into A and B register, then divide that numbers A, B, then we can here we can get the quotient value which is stored in 44H memory location, and result will be stored in 45H memory location. Multiplication action will require big value, so 16-bit value, so it required two memory address register memory location, and divide action required two memory location for quotient and remainder purpose. Next we can also increment the value 25H, or we also decrement the value and stored in 46H or 47H memory location. Instructions are INC-A and DEC-A. Then end the program. This is total program of addition and arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment and decrement the number. Now let's add this file in the source group. Right click on the source group, then add files, give the name, use the extension ASM. We already generated the file arithmetic op, then add, then close that window, tick on the plus sign of source group. We can see our file arithmetic op. Then build target. In project we have option build target, then we can get the 0 error, 0 warning here. Because of that we can understand our program is all right. Then go to the debug option, debug window, then start debugging. Then we see the yellow arrow there. First action perform when we do the step into view memory window. Also we want the memory window for our result purpose, so here D:040H. so here we can get the answers in the memory location. First action performed, move 25H into A register, then 12H, then addition, A into B is 37, here is the 37 in accumulator register. B remains same. Then move the 37 into here, 37 into 40H memory location, right? Then move again 25H into accumulator, then subtract A into B, subtract A minus B, then answer will be 13. That 13 move into 41 memory location. See, this result will be show there. Then move again 25H into accumulator, then we can perform the multiplication action and multiply the result stored into 42H and 43H memory location, which is 9A and 02. Then move 25H again in the accumulator, then divide A, B, then we can get the quotient value in the 44H memory location. You can observe there in the memory window quotient is 02, then remainder will be 01. Okay, next increment the 25H value, which is 26. See there, 26 incremented, then decrement the value. Now here 26 in the accumulator and that decremented into 25H. This is our programming debugging in the Kill software.